During his first official 3-day visit to the Gulf, former President Donald Trump was welcomed with much fanfare. He shared a notable camaraderie with Crown Prince Mohammed Bin Salman. The visit featured high-profile meetings, military tours, and billion-dollar deals with the UAE. But one gift caught global attention: a Boeing 747-8 from Qatar, rumored to become part of the White House fleet. Supporters saw the jet as a powerful symbol of U.S. Gulf friendship, but critics questioned the huge cost of converting a commercial aircraft into a secure Air Force One. Could this plane really meet the intense requirements needed to protect a president? Skepticism grew as analysts examined what would be required to make the Boeing 747-8 truly fit for presidential duty. Experts raised alarms over its security vulnerabilities. Concerns included potential software loopholes, risks of airborne interception, and insufficient protection against nuclear attacks. Turning this plane into Air Force One would mean adding an entirely new defense infrastructure. The debate stretched from political circles to military analysts and tech specialists alike. The Boeing 747-8 is an aviation marvel. Its GE9X-2B engines are among the cleanest, quietest, and most fuel-efficient in the world. With a wingspan of over 68 meters, fly-by-wire spoilers, and cutting-edge airfoils, the plane delivers superior aerodynamics. It's built for speed and long-distance travel, capable of flying over 13,000 kilometers without refueling. This aircraft's body uses next-generation aluminum alloys and graphite composites, giving it greater resistance to corrosion and damage. Designed with durability in mind, it's a long-haul beast, not just for performance, but also for longevity. These features make it an ideal candidate for transformation, but they still fall short of Air Force One's military-grade expectations. The 747-8 isn't just powerful, it's environmentally advanced. The GE9X engine includes dual chevrons and sound-absorbing liners, reducing noise during takeoff and landing. Emissions-wise, the aircraft surpasses international standards, cutting nitrogen oxide levels by over 50%. It meets stringent ICAO environmental rules, making it one of the greenest wide-body jets in service today. To become Air Force One, this plane needs serious upgrades. The Qatari 747-8 lacks electronic warfare systems, essential for detecting and evading radar or missile threats. Retrofitting would include installing missile warning systems, infrared countermeasures, and shielding against nuclear threats. These are not standard modifications. They're military-grade defenses. The aircraft must be fitted with secure, multi-band satellite communications. It needs uninterrupted, encrypted contact with U.S. military command, even during national emergencies. To function as a mobile command center, it also requires advanced cybersecurity, encrypted video links, and tools to coordinate nuclear response, all of which demand major technological transformation. Currently, the U.S. operates 2 aging Air Force One aircraft. New replacements are underway, expected by 2027, with a project cost nearing $4 billion. Boeing has already taken a $2.5 billion loss on the new models. Trump's acceptance of the 13-year-old Qatari 747-8 complicates the situation, sparking debates about budget, security, and necessity. Experts are now split. Some view the Qatari gift as a diplomatic masterstroke. Others call it an expensive distraction. With Boeing's VC-25B program already delayed, integrating this older aircraft into the fleet adds more uncertainty. The retrofitting could take years and billions before it flies under the call sign Air Force One. The Boeing 747-8, gifted by Qatar, represents more than just a plane. It embodies the complex intersection of diplomacy, defense, and presidential power. As retrofitting progresses, one question remains. Can this aircraft truly become a secure, modern-day symbol of American strength? Or will it remain just a political statement in the skies?